Okay, this is an unboxing of the Hornady LNL Lock and Load Deluxe Control Panel for my Hornady Lock and Load AP Progressive Press. The control panel monitors how many rounds you make. It monitors the primers. It monitors the primer slide. It has the Hornady style lockout die. It monitors powder, how much powder is in the case, whether too much or too little. It monitors how much powder is in the powder measure. Let you know when you get to a certain level that you set yourself. It gives you an audible alert as well as a visual alert on this panel. Okay. Now let's see what else we got here. Pull it out. Let's try it this way. Alright, that's the box. Not that big of a box. Small box, sure. There you go. There it is. Control panel manual. Ready? Oh, they threw in the light strip comes with it. I didn't know that. Okay, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Didn't know that came with it. Okay, down the side. All right. Okay, here we go. We have the primer feed monitor. And right there. Okay, we have the control panel itself. Very light. The dials, this counter. It's got a mute. I'm glad they got mute on there because sometimes you do not want to be hearing all that beeping and burping. Okay, put that to the side. Alright, what do we have here? Oh, we have the primer slider monitor. It monitors the primer slider. If it gets stuck, it'll beep. So you won't have cases that are not primed. You think they are primed, and you find out the slider is stuck. I haven't had any problem with my slider because I pretty much took a small Dremel tool and polished it, and it's just as smooth as butter. Bill Morgan again, he was the man. That's the video you want to watch first. Bill Morgan, before you set up your press. Okay, we have here. Okay, these are the braces. To brace everything on. And I think I'm finding something I didn't realize right now though. This is the powder measure hopper apparatus that monitors the how much powder you have in your powder measure. And finally, the Hornady lockout die type apparatus. Okay, let's make sure it's safe as the. Oh, there it is. There it is. I know what I gotta say. All right. That's the. Sorry about that. I'm using my iPhone. And I got a call. Interrupted the video. Anyway, that's the harness. So that is the harness is a part of the whole shebang. There it is. And that's pretty much it. Harness. The Hornady lockout die, the Hornady powder measure monitor, 2 braces, well actually 1 brace to brace the control panel onto your Hornady LNL press, slider monitor, light strip, which I didn't think it was part of it, but it is. So here it is, the light strip. That's a surprise. The actual control panel, and the primer monitor. Oh, and I'm going to get your guide. That's it. That is the unboxing of the Hornady Lock and Load AP Control Panel, or the Hornady Lock and Load. I have a Hornady Lock and Load ammo plant, and this will pretty much complete the assembly. It's a great machine, and I hope this is another great product from Hornady. Alright, that's it.